Let's go into the calculation. So on this website, you have the first tab, gross annual income. The amount you're earning per month, you multiply by 12 before deductions to know what your gross annual income is. So you put it there. Then you now have additional deductions. So you're not paying taxes on everything that you earn. The government allows you to remove some basic deductions and then they now tax the balance. Or if you're a business, you remove your business expenses and then they now tax the remaining profits. So it's not everything that goes through your account that they're going to tax, but I will explain more on that later. So what are the allowable deductions? You have your NHF contribution, National Housing Fund. So if you're contributing towards housing, NHIS, National Health Insurance Scheme, pension contribution, interest on loan for owner-occupied houses. So if you took a loan to buy or build the house that you're living in, you're not going to be paying, so you'll be allowed to deduct that interest that you pay every year. You have life insurance premium for those that are doing life insurance, and then you have your annual rent. Gross annual income, 65,000 naira times 12, that gives you 780,000 naira per year. I mean, somebody earning 780,000, I'm not sure they can have any deductions. NHF, the salary is already poor, right? But let's say their annual rent. So somebody earning 780,000, what is their rent? Let's assume 300,000 naira. So how much tax are they going to pay? So you can see it, zero. Somebody earning 65,000 naira is not going to pay any taxes. But under the old tax law, that person was going to be paying 2,886,000 naira, which is 4.4% of their salary. Let's use the next example, which is 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira is 1.2 million naira per year. So your gross annual income is 1.2 million. Again, this salary is too small to have deductions, right? So let's just use let's just remove the rent. Somebody earning 1.2, let's say 400,000. I even feel like 300 was too much for somebody earning 780, but I mean, you can see it's still zero. So let's use 400,000 for somebody earning 1.2. So you can see somebody earning 100,000 naira is going to pay only 4,000 naira per month, which is 4% of their salary. Because there was this nonsense that was trending that once you're above that 65,000 or 800,000 naira per year, you'll be paying 15%. You can see that it's a lie. What you're only going to pay is 4%, which is one of the lowest in the world. What will you have been paying in the last administration? 6.5%, which is 6,500 naira. The next salary range you're going to use is 500K.